Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel, your go-to place for all things social media and tech. If you're new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell so you never miss out on our latest tutorials and reviews. Today we're diving into a super handy feature that many of you have been asking about, how to log into Facebook using your Instagram account. Yes, you heard that right. In 2024, making the most of the interconnected world of social media has gotten easier. So, if you're ready to streamline your login process, let's get started. First things first, let's make sure that your Instagram is already linked to your Facebook account. This is a crucial step to ensure that the login process is seamless. Open your Instagram app, go to your profile, tap on the three lines at the top right corner and then hit Settings. Here you should see Account Center, tap on it. Here you should see Accounts and Profiles or Profiles. If your Facebook account is listed here, you're good to go. If not, you'll need to add it by following the prompts. Alright, now that we've got that setup out of the way, let's move on the exciting part, logging into Facebook. Now what you have to do is tap on logging with accounts and you should allow all accounts to log in into each other. And just like that, you've mastered one of the coolest integrations between Instagram and Facebook. It's all about making our digital lives easier, and this feature is a testament to that. Remember, if you've ever encountered any issues or have any questions about your account security while using this feature, don't hesitate to reach out to the support teams or either platform. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If it was, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to share this video with friends who might find it useful.